Hello students, starting with a new chapter, measuring time. Kindly remove your maths textbook. Be ready with your pencil and eraser. Let us learn more about time. As you can see on page number 74, you reading the clock. See, let us learn to read the clock. Tai, you had asked me how to tell the time using a clock. Today I have brought a big clock to help you learn that. Look at the long hand and the short hand of the clock. Okay? See, a clock has a long hand and a short hand. बड़ी सुई होती है क्लॉक में, छोटी सुई होती है. ओके, सो दैट इज लॉन्ग हैंड एंड अ शॉर्ट हैंड. When both are at 12, it's 12 o'clock. So for example, there is a clock, this is 12. When both the hands, okay, let me draw for you. See, this is a big clock. This is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When both the hands, okay, one is short and one is long. Okay, when both the hands are at 12 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock. Okay, when both the hands are together at 12 o'clock, so it is 12 o'clock. Now Salma, when the short hand is at 4 and the long one is at 12, it is 4 o'clock. So here they are saying, see, short hand is at 4 and the long hand is at 12. So it is 4 o'clock. Okay. Nandu, we can also show 5 o'clock and 9 o'clock like this. So whenever the small hand is at hours place and the long hand is at 12's place, so it is 5 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So similarly you can show 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Okay. Then the short hand goes slowly, but the long hand moves faster. Yes, the short hand shows hours and the long one shows minute. That is why they are also called the hour hand and the minute hand. So what is the other name for short hand and long hand? Hour hand and minute hand. Okay, the long hand has reached 1, so it is 5 minutes past 12 o'clock. See, whenever the hand passes, minute hand passes, okay, and the small hand moves slowly because it is an hour hand. Okay, hour hand. And the long hand, when it starts moving, so we say as it is 5 minutes past 12. Okay, so when it is passes 1, 2, 3, 4, so we will say past 12 because our hand is at 12. When the minute hand reaches 2, it is 10 past 12, and when it reaches 3, it will be 15 past, see, you can see here, 15 minutes past 12. Then we will see that the hour hand has also moved forward a little. That's right. Between two adjacent numbers, there is a difference of 5 minutes. Means between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are difference of 5 minutes. Okay. So that means we can use this 5 times table for counting minutes. So when the hour hand is at 12 and the minute hand is at 9, we can tell that it is 45 minutes past 12 because 9 fives are 45. Great. When the minute hand moves forward, starting from 12 and reaches 12 again, it has completed one round. The time it takes to do this is 60 minutes or 1 hour. In that time, the hour hand moves from 12 to 1, and of that moment, the time is 1 o'clock. Tony, I got it. If the hour hand is between 4 and 5 and the minute hand is on 8, then because 8 fives are 40, it is 40 minutes past 4. So it is whenever the long hand of the clock passes from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4 to 5. So we have to tell the table of 5. If it is at ones place, then it is 12 past 5. If it is at tens place, then it is 12. If it is at ones place, then 5 minutes past 12. If it is at twos place, then it is 10 minutes past 12. If the minute hand is at threes place, so it is 15 minutes past 12 because 12 बज के 5 मिनट, 12 बज के 10 मिनट, 12 बज के 15 मिनट. That's what how you will keep on counting the fives table, and as it moves and comes to 12 again, so it has completed 60 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so when the 12, it starts from 12 and it goes back again to 12, so it completes how much? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now let us start solving the exercise, and here it's written hour and minutes are the units of hours, and see, this is very important. Hours and minutes are the units of measuring time. See, small hand, big hand, okay, long hand or short hand, whatever you can call. Okay, see, long hand, you can say long hand, you can say minutes hand. Okay, it shows minutes, and this is hour hand. Okay, and this is short, long and short, big and small, whatever you call it. This is hour hand. Okay, 1 hour. Okay, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So when it starts from 12 and it goes back to 12, so it completes 1 hour. Okay, which is 60 minutes. Okay, half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. And quarter, okay, quarter is equal to 15 minutes. Okay, see. So you have to learn. See, 5's table. 1 means 5, 2 means 10, 3 means 15, 4 means 20, 5 means 25, 6 means 30, 7 means 35, 8 means 40, 9 means 45, 10 means 50, and 11 means 55, and as it reaches 12 again, it will be 1 hour. Then see children, see, this is a minute hand, okay, the long one. I will try and draw properly. Let us change the color, okay. Okay, this is a minute hand, this is a minute hand, and see, when it is pointing, this is an hour hand, this is an hour hand. What is this? Hour hand. So this is what is the time now? When the hours hand is at 3 and the minutes hand is at 12. So what is the time now? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Okay? 3 o'clock. Okay? But if the same hours hand, now let us try another one. See, same hours hand, now see, it is at 3 o'clock, okay, but this line is at, the minutes hand is at 1's place. So what does that mean? We will say 5 minutes past 3. What we will say? 5 minutes past 3. Why? Because see, 3 o'clock होके अभी जो मिनट्स का हैंड है वो 5 के जगह पर है, 1 के प्लेस पे है. So you can see whenever it is at 1's place, so we are counting 5 stable, no? So it is 5 minutes past 3, मतलब 5 मिनट हो गया है 3:05 और 5 minutes past 3, whichever way you feel. And see, one more thing I want to show you. You can see few lines here, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are all minutes line. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minutes. Okay. So between 12 and 1 there are 1 minutes. Okay. Then between 1 and 2 there are more 5 lines. So there are 5 lines, means 1 minutes. Okay, each minutes are being shown. Now for example, same that 3 o'clock. Okay, the hours hand is at 3 o'clock. Now this line is, minutes hand is at 5's place. So what you will write? 25 minutes past 3. Okay. So wherever the minute hand moves, you are going to mention that. Okay. So this is the way how we start measuring time. Now let us learn little more. See, quarter past, half past, quarter to. See, these are the other names which will come in future also. At present, we are just talking 30 minutes past 3 o'clock, or 45 minutes past 3 o'clock, or 5 minutes past 3 o'clock. But as days will go, you have to say, if it is at 3's place, see, the hours hand is at 4's place, but the minutes hand is at 3's place. So you can say quarter past 4. Okay, quarter past 4 means 15 minutes. Quarter means 15 minutes. Quarter past means 15 minutes past to 4. Okay, understood? Quarter. So you can write 15 minutes past 4. Okay, then half past, both the hands are together. So what you will say, hours hand is at 6 and minutes hand is also at 6. So as you can see, it is 30 minutes. So what you will say, 30 minutes, half past, or 30 minutes past 6. Okay, and quarter to means 15 minute baki hai. Now see, hours hand is at 3, but the minutes hand is at 9, and so you will say quarter to 3 बजने को 15 मिनट बाकी है. हाँ, you can either say 45 minutes past 2 o'clock, or you can say quarter past quarter to 3, means 15 minutes to 3. 2-3 means 3 बजने को 15 minutes है. Here we are using past and here we will use to. Okay.